In this video, I want to show how to customize and override settings. So you go to a settings panel and select something, for example, property in this case. You'll find that almost everywhere we go in the settings page, you'll have override settings. So add a new override. So what we have here is that we have the global settings. So these here will be applied to all properties unless there's an override. So for example, right now, all of our properties have a reserve set for $350. But I can now go in here and I can select to do an override. You'll be presented by a list where the first thing you see here is the portfolios that you have added to MagicDoor. If you then open the portfolio, you can see the properties that you have under that portfolio. And again, if you open that property, you can see each house or unit you have there. So let me find one that has more than just a home. So here, for example, we have Albany Street with unit 1 and 2. So you can also add an override on the unit level. So you can see here, we can add an override for the property general here, on the portfolio level, the property level, or the unit level. So for example, in this case, I would like to add an override for this property. I select it and click Save. You now get a list down here. You can see Hogwarts at Albany Street, and there's an override for the property. You can then expand it, and here now you get the same settings as you do a global, but now you can override it. So for example, for this one we want 550, and you can then click Save. So now we have an override for this property, meaning that all our properties will have 350, except for this one that will now have 500. In the same way, you can easily delete them. So here, for example, you can delete these and this one. And now all of our properties will have the global setting again. And that is how you use overrides in all of our settings panels.